Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Dolby Atmos soundbars. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end, so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the Dolby Atmos soundbars in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best Dolby Atmos soundbars on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar. What does it mean when a soundbar is smart? For the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar, it means the addition of an AI dialogue mode that can sense when dialogue is occurring and automatically balance the sound to improve the clarity. The feature ensures viewers aren't left wondering what a character just said. And with Bose's true space technology, things like instruments, dialogue, and effects are intelligently separated and placed in different parts of a room for an immersive spatial audio experience. On top of that, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar sports a premium design thanks to a metal grille and an acrylic panel covering the top. Inside the soundbar is a 5.1.2 channel system with 9 drivers, including 2 up-firing drivers for height. The brand's soundbar also has Alexa built in, with further support for AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect. One happy customer writes, "I was constantly raising and lowering the volume on the television, unable to hear much of the conversation while hearing plenty of the background." The Bose Ultra Soundbar has solved all of the issues. I can now clearly hear the conversations at a reduced volume and am extremely pleased with the soundbar. Coming in at number 5, Polk Audio MagniFi Mini AX Soundbar. As the Mini in the name suggests, the Polk MagniFi Mini AX is an excellent option for small spaces. It measures less than 15 inches wide, making it possible to fit on a side table. Despite its small size, the soundbar offers robust and detailed sound. According to Stefan Vajarov, senior technology editor at Best Products, the MagniFi Mini AX will instantly transform your space into a private movie theater with multi-dimensional sound and rumbling bass via its down-firing wireless subwoofer. The MagniFi Mini AX has 5 drivers and features 4 preset sound modes: music, movie, 3D, and night. These presets help emphasize the details of different media. For example, the movie preset produces crisp dialogue and clear sound effects. In addition, the MagniFi Mini AX includes essential connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2, and Google Chromecast. Know someone just moving into their first space? A small setup like this may be just about perfect. The biggest downside of the MagniFi Mini AX is it has a single HDMI eARC port with no additional ports for connecting source devices like a Blu-ray player or gaming console. Coming at number 4, Sonos Arc Soundbar. The Sonos Arc is an excellent soundbar in its own right, but what elevates it is its ability to seamlessly connect to other Sonos gear. With support for Wi-Fi, users can link several Sonos products together, making it easy to create a surround sound experience or multi-room audio system. On top of that, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar sports a premium design thanks to a metal grille and an acrylic panel covering the top. Inside the soundbar is a 5.1.2 channel system with 9 drivers, including 2 up-firing drivers for height. The brand's soundbar also has Alexa built in, with further support for AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect. Number 3, Sony HT-A7000 Soundbar. The Sony HT-A7000 is a robust soundbar with a 7.1.2 system that packs 2 up-firing speakers, 2 beam tweeters, 5 front-facing drivers, and a built-in subwoofer, all in a single chassis. As such, Sony's soundbar is on the larger end. It's 51.25 inches wide, 5.6 inches deep, and 3.25 inches tall. That makes it suitable for larger spaces, such as living rooms and main bedrooms. The benefit of a larger soundbar, outside of fuller sound, is the sheer number of ports. In addition to support for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, the Sony HT-A7000 features 2 HDMI input ports and 1 HDMI output port. 2 of the HDMI ports are capable of handling 4K at 120 Hz, making the soundbar compatible with the latest gaming consoles from Microsoft and Sony. Like the Sony HT-A5000 that our editors love, the Sony HT-A7000 is compatible with several audio formats, including audiophile-grade high-res audio and 360 reality audio. The latter format uses object-based spatial audio technology that simulates what it's like being as a live concert. For an even more immersive audio experience, the HT-A7000 can connect to optional subwoofers and surround speakers. Coming at number 2, Samsung All-in-One HW-S60B Soundbar. Soundbars with Dolby Atmos generally come at a cost, but the Samsung HW-S60B is an affordable way to experience the more immersive audio technology. The soundbar is a 5.0 channel system that features 7 speakers, 4 woofers, and 3 tweeters, providing a powerful all-in-one experience. One of the speakers is dedicated solely to dialogue, ensuring every piece of dialogue is crisp and clear during the most dramatic moments. The nice thing about Samsung's system is it can connect wirelessly to select Samsung TVs, making the setup process incredibly easy. Alternatively, the soundbar has an HDMI earc port for a hardwired connection. Additionally, it offers built-in Alexa and can connect to an iPhone, iPad, or Mac via AirPlay 2. It also supports DTS Virtual X, an audio technology that simulates surround sound, creating a comprehensive audio experience that's affordable and easy to use. At under $300, it's the perfect price point for a birthday or anniversary gift for someone you love. One reviewer says, "I purchased the Samsung HW-S60B for an all-in-one with the option to add rear surrounds and a subwoofer in the future. The soundstage is extremely wide because the side speakers project its sound, which bounces off the walls. The 5.0 setup does a great job at separating the sound into 5 distinct channels." Number 1. Vizio M-Series Elevate Soundbar. The Vizio M-Series Elevate is our top overall pick, offering a balance of hardware, design, and features. It will rumble during action sequences and deliver crisp dialogue in quieter moments, ensuring a dynamic and immersive audio experience. Plus, it can seamlessly fit into small and large rooms, with a sleek charcoal fabric exterior that blends into any interior space, as much as any soundbar can. The 5.1.2 channel system includes 2 height channels, a subwoofer, and 2 satellite speakers, offering a complete surround sound experience. The 2 height channels can automatically rotate up or down for optimal sound. Meanwhile, the subwoofer connects to the soundbar wirelessly, giving you the freedom to place it anywhere in your space. One satisfied user says, "The bass can be literally floor shaking and can be felt in the chest. I tried the music EQ setting via Bluetooth from my phone, using music I know well. It was impressive and accurate. No distortion or muddiness. The surround feature put me in the stadium for the World Cup final. Outstanding system." The Vizio M-Series Elevate supports Bluetooth and has 1 HDMI earc and an extra HDMI input for connecting a Blu-ray player or gaming console. That being said, it doesn't offer Wi-Fi capabilities, meaning there's no built-in support for Apple AirPlay 2, Google Chromecast, or Amazon Alexa. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best Dolby Atmos soundbars. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.